Unlock financial freedom, your beginner's guide to passive income. Tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Imagine earning money while you sleep, travel, or pursue your passions. This guide will walk you through the world of passive income, empowering you to build a more secure and fulfilling financial future. Passive income is earning money from a source that doesn't require constant, active involvement. Unlike a traditional job where you trade time for money, passive income streams generate revenue with minimal ongoing effort after the initial setup. Think of it as planting a money tree. You invest time and resources up front, and then it continues to bear fruit with little additional work. The IRS defines passive income as earnings from rental properties or businesses where you aren't actively participating. Why is passive income important? It provides financial freedom, allowing you to diversify your income sources and reduce reliance on a single job. It can also help you achieve financial goals faster, such as early retirement or paying off debt. For beginner investors, passive income offers a fantastic opportunity to learn about different investment strategies and build wealth gradually. It's a journey of financial empowerment, and this guide is your starting point. Investing your money wisely is a cornerstone of building passive income. Let's explore some popular investment-based options suitable for beginners. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders regularly. These payments, called dividends, can provide a steady stream of passive income. When a company is profitable, it may choose to reinvest some earnings back into the business or distribute them as dividends. Dividend yields, expressed as a percentage, represent the annual dividend payment relative to the stock price. For beginners, it's crucial to research companies with a history of consistent dividend payments and strong financial health. Consider diversifying your portfolio across different sectors to mitigate risk. Bonds are essentially loans you make to a government or corporation. In return, they promise to pay you back the principal amount along with interest over a specified period. Bonds are generally considered less risky than stocks, making them a good option for beginners seeking stable passive income. The interest payments, known as coupon payments, are typically made semi-annually or annually. Different types of bonds exist, including government bonds, corporate bonds, and municipal bonds. Each carries varying levels of risk and potential return. Researching and understanding these differences is essential before investing. High-yield savings accounts and CDs offer a safe and straightforward way to earn passive income through interest. These accounts typically offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts. CDs require you to deposit a fixed amount of money for a specific term, ranging from a few months to several years. In exchange, you receive a guaranteed interest rate. While the returns may be lower compared to other investment options, high-yield savings accounts and CDs provide a secure and liquid way to grow your savings passively. They are ideal for beginners looking for low-risk options. Investment funds, such as mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of assets. This diversification helps reduce risk. Mutual funds are actively managed by professional fund managers who select investments based on specific objectives. ETFs, on the other hand, typically track a specific index, such as the S&P 500, and offer lower expense ratios. For beginners, investing in low-cost index ETFs is a great way to gain exposure to a broad market and earn passive income through dividends and capital appreciation. Peer-to-peer lending platforms connect borrowers with investors, allowing individuals to lend money directly to businesses or individuals. In return, investors earn interest on their loans. P2P lending can offer higher returns than traditional fixed-income investments, but it also carries higher risk. It's crucial to carefully evaluate the creditworthiness of borrowers before investing. Diversifying your P2P lending portfolio across multiple borrowers can help mitigate risk. Research reputable P2P lending platforms and understand their risk assessment processes before participating. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate. By investing in REITs, you can gain exposure to the real estate market without directly owning properties. REITs are required to distribute a significant portion of their taxable income to shareholders as dividends, making them an attractive option for passive income investors. Different types of REITs exist, including equity REITs, mortgage REITs, and hybrid REITs. Each focuses on different aspects of the real estate market. Understanding these differences is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Real estate can be a powerful tool for generating passive income. Let's explore some property-based options. Investing in rental properties involves purchasing properties and renting them out to tenants. The rental income, after deducting expenses, becomes your passive income. Managing rental properties requires effort, including finding tenants, handling maintenance, and collecting rent. However, you can hire a property manager to handle these tasks, freeing up your time. Before investing in rental properties, it's crucial to conduct thorough market research, assess potential rental income, and factor in expenses such as property taxes, insurance, and maintenance. If you own a home, you can rent it out while you're away on vacation or business trips. Platforms like Airbnb make it easy to list your property and connect with potential renters. Renting out your home can generate significant passive income, especially if you live in a popular tourist destination. However, it's essential to consider factors such as cleaning, maintenance, and potential damage. Before listing your property, check local regulations and homeowners association rules regarding short-term rentals. Renting out a spare room in your house is a simple way to generate passive income. This option requires minimal effort and can help offset your mortgage payments or rent. When choosing a roommate, it's essential to conduct thorough background checks and establish clear expectations regarding rent, utilities, and house rules. Creating a comfortable and respectful living environment is crucial for maintaining a positive roommate relationship. Do you have unused space in your home, such as a garage, attic, or basement? You can rent it out for storage or other purposes. Platforms like Neighbor.com connect people with storage needs with individuals who have available space. This option requires minimal effort and can generate steady passive income. Before renting out your unused space, ensure it's clean, secure, and accessible to renters. If you live in a densely populated area with limited parking, you can rent out your parking space to generate passive income. Platforms like Spot Hero and CurbFlip connect parking space owners with drivers looking for parking. This option requires minimal effort and can be particularly lucrative in urban areas. Before renting out your parking space, ensure it's clearly marked and accessible to renters. Operating a vending machine business involves purchasing vending machines and placing them in high-traffic locations. You earn passive income from the sale of snacks, drinks, and other items. Managing a vending machine business requires some effort, including restocking machines and handling maintenance. However, you can hire someone to handle these tasks, freeing up your time. Before starting a vending machine business, it's crucial to research potential locations, assess demand, and factor in expenses such as machine costs, inventory, and location fees. The internet offers numerous opportunities to create and sell digital products, generating passive income with minimal ongoing effort. Writing and selling an ebook is a great way to share your knowledge and expertise while earning passive income. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to publish and sell your ebook. Choose a topic you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Create high-quality content that provides value to readers. Promote your ebook through social media, email marketing, and other channels to reach a wider audience. Creating a blog or YouTube channel allows you to share your thoughts, ideas, and expertise with the world while earning passive income through ads, affiliate marketing, or selling product services. Choose a niche you're passionate about and create engaging content that attracts a loyal audience. Monetize your blog or YouTube channel through Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products or services. If you enjoy photography, you can sell your photos online through stock photo websites like Shutterstock and iStockPhoto. These platforms allow you to upload your photos and earn royalties each time someone downloads them. Focus on capturing high-quality, visually appealing photos that meet the needs of stock photo buyers. Developing and selling an app can be a lucrative source of passive income. If you have an idea for an app that solves a problem or provides value to users, consider bringing it to life. You can hire a developer to create the app for you or learn to code yourself. Monetize your app through in-app purchases, subscriptions, or advertising. If you have a knack for design, you can sell your designs online through platforms like Redbubble and Society6. These platforms allow you to upload your designs and sell them on a variety of products, such as clothing, home decor, and accessories. You earn royalties each time someone purchases a product featuring your design. Creating and selling an online course is a great way to share your expertise and earn passive income. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy make it easy to create and sell your course. Choose a topic you're knowledgeable in and create engaging course content that provides value to students. Promote your course through social media, email marketing, and other channels to reach a wider audience. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products or services and earning commissions on sales generated through your unique affiliate link. Find products or services that align with your audience's interests and promote them through your blog, social media, or email marketing. Choose reputable affiliate programs that offer competitive commissions and track your results to optimize your campaigns. Creating and selling digital products such as templates, graphics, and music can be a great way to generate passive income. Platforms like Etsy and Creative Market allow you to sell your digital products to a wide audience. Focus on creating high-quality, valuable digital products that meet the needs of your target market. Beyond the traditional investment and online avenues, here are a couple of additional ideas to consider. You can earn passive income by advertising on your car. Companies like Rapify and Carvertise pay you to wrap your car with advertisements. The amount you earn depends on factors such as your location, driving habits, and the size of the advertisement. Before participating in car advertising, ensure you understand the terms and conditions and that the advertisement doesn't obstruct your vision. Dropshipping involves selling products online without holding any inventory. When a customer places an order, you forward it to a third-party supplier who ships the product directly to the customer. This business model requires minimal upfront investment and allows you to sell a wide variety of products without the hassle of managing inventory. However, it's crucial to find reliable suppliers and manage customer service effectively. Building passive income streams takes time, effort, and dedication, but the rewards of financial freedom and security are well worth the investment. Remember to start small, diversify your income streams, and continuously learn and adapt to the changing market. Ready to take control of your financial future? Start by identifying 1 or 2 passive income ideas that resonate with you, and take action today. Research different options, set realistic goals, and track your progress. Here's your call to action. Choose one passive income stream from this guide that excites you. Dedicate at least 30 minutes this week to research and plan your first steps. Share this guide with a friend who's also interested in financial freedom. Subscribe to our newsletter for more tips and strategies on building passive income. Don't wait any longer to start building your passive income empire. Your journey to financial freedom begins now.